Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So Cognizant major update. Yes, most of the people are in trouble or they're not able to figure it out whether they are shortlisted or whether they are rejected. We'll talk about everything in this particular video. So Cognizant major update will be around interview mode because they have changed the interview mode, resources that will help you to crack and the interview dates. Okay, so breaking up the silence, I would say interview mode is virtual nowadays. Okay, because we all know that right now the conditions, most of the people are not favorable to come to the office. Most of the people are at their home. Colleges are getting shut in north. So please, they are also making sense hand conducting interview virtually. So please make use of this particular opportunity. And yes, we'll talk about the dates and resources in this particular video. So if you got this particular mail, which is Cognizant Technical Assessment, let me change the color. Yes, Technical Assessment. You can see it is on 11th, I can say 12th of May, 1 p.m. And please, this is the point that I want to tell you is everything is one by one. If you clear the communication, you will get the aptitude round. When you clear the aptitude round, right there you will get your technical assessment. And if you're not able to clear communication, why I told you is now recently I took few peoples and monitoring them very closely. One guy who actually don't want to get into Cognizant, he gave his communication round very badly. Few questions they are not answered and few of the things related to their background noise, their drill sounds were there and tons of things. So because of that, 3 people out of 3 people, 2 got the aptitude assessment who gave communication round promptly, actively. One guy who was not performing well is rejected. So I can say that it is kind of elimination. Your voice should be audible. Your badge, there should not be any background noises. You should able to speak well. And your communication is also good, like whatever they are speaking, you are able to grab and able to give it back to on the mic. So please make sure that you should not do any kind of mistakes. Okay. So yes, I can say that everything is one by one I told. Now interview dates are around after, I can say after 1 week or less than 1 week or any time because it is virtual. When it was offline, they were intimating people like after a month or after 3 weeks that okay, you will be having your interview on 4th of May, 8th of May, 28th of May, anything. So please be assemble on the office at that particular time, the reporting time and etc. But now it is virtual. You will get the mail from Superset that you may have interview from 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. You need to sit with your laptop right there and get your interview done. Okay, so this kind of thing I told you about the resources. Prime Coding is filled with resources. You just need to go on www.primecoding.in for mock interviews and on YouTube, just Prime Coding, Cognizant playlist, Cognizant interview experiences, Cognizant, etc. You will get tons of legit, 100% important how to crack Cognizant. Okay, I got a thing. How to crack Cognizant I created. Okay, this video I have created. And this is 100% chances that you will crack whatever I said. If you did, you will gonna crack it. And tons of people messaged me that video helped me. Please create it for TCS also, Hexaware also, Accenture also, and tons of companies. I will be creating it. But if you are one of them who want to ace Cognizant interview process, go and watch this video out. I will try to pin it in the I button below, or you can see in the description so that you can ace your upcoming interview. And for the www.primecoding.in, yes, I know people want to listen, people don't want to listen, but my job is to tell you that mock interview can help you in many manners. Okay, right now tons of people are assembled for Cognizant mock interview because this is the only opportunity. TCS, no one knows when they will do, what they will do, because it's more than a month. No results has been declared and still they are just keep on texting that okay, result will be uploaded, result will be coming up over 2 or 3 days. So yes, please stay to the channel, I will let you know. But please make use of it. Prepared well. Take the mock interviews. You don't need any courses. You just need any mock interviews and see whether your resume, whatever you have mentioned, you know about it. You know the concepts, questions that are more frequently asked in these service-based companies, and your HR questions, your communication questions. Are you able to speak well on the camera? Tons of things will be verified on, or I would say in the mock interview, because we have real experts with us. We'll spend more than 90 minutes so that you will ace your interview. If experts said that you gonna crack it. No one can stop you to crack your upcoming interview. So make sure that you will have it today only. If you want to have cognizant interview experiences, written questions, notes, tons of things would be available in the videos. Please go and watch right away. All the links which I have told would be in the description below so that you can ace your upcoming interview. I will meet you with a new video soon. Until then, take care and comment down whatever doubts if you have when you have appeared for interview. Do you got the response or not? What about the logos? Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video soon.